Namaste everyone. Today in this tutorial you are going to learn about the concept of double VLOOKUP. You can see in table 1 we have information of 10 people which we want to get into table 2 on the behalf of their roll number or ID number. You can see in this cell if I am going to type either roll number or ID number, I cannot get the result with a single VLOOKUP. We require two VLOOKUPs, one for roll number and other for ID number. And we want to get age, blood group, salary and license number on that. So how could we make selection out of either of them which is available here in this cell? So that is done with the help of a new concept called IFFERROR. You can see in this yellow ribbon, I can magnify. Okay. You can see IFFERROR. Value or value IFFERROR. I can explain. You can see we have two values, either value 1 or value 2. IFFERROR allows us to make a selection from either of them. If value 1 is not correct, it will select value 2 and vice versa. So instead of value 1, we can type the VLOOKUP for roll number, and instead of this value 2, we can type VLOOKUP for ID number. Okay. So how it works, let us see. Okay, let's get back into the situation now. Here suppose I write any roll number 1012. Okay, age. Here you can write if error. Select it. You can see the syntax value if error. Here I will write VLOOKUP for roll number. So VLOOKUP. Lookup value. This cell is my lookup value and we have to fix it by pressing F4 button. So you can see. Now table array. Table array for roll number starts from here. So let us select this table and these are the dimensions of this table. Okay. F4. So we have fixed. Now for column index number, to get the age, we need 3. So how would we do that? With the help of row, as I have explained in previous videos. So row, what is the value of this row? I will select this much portion and see what is the value. Press F9 after the selection. F9. Okay. It is giving 3. Now you can see age is also in 3. So I don't need to make any change here and I can simply work with row. Ctrl Z, bring it in the same situation. And then 0. Close the braces. Now this first VLOOKUP formula for roll number is written here. And now another VLOOKUP we will type again for ID number. So VLOOKUP. Okay. Now VLOOKUP value. The same cell will be for VLOOKUP. F4. Fix it. Now you can see table array. Table array dimension will be changed now. In case of ID number, we have to start from here, from ID number. So these are the dimensions of the second table array. Because VLOOKUP does not look backs, it always executes on the leftmost column. Now in this case, ID number is the leftmost column. Now it is selected, press F4 and it is fixed. Again, row. Now let us select this value and check. F9. It is 3. Now you can see we are in age. We are not looking for blood group right now. We are looking for age. Okay. So 3 is written here and subscript for age in this table, not in this one table. In this table which we have just now selected, age is in second position. ID number is in first position in this case and age is in second position. So we don't want 3 here. So we will subtract 1. Ctrl Z, bring in same position. You can type -1. Now you can select the value and see the answer by pressing F9. F9, okay, 2. That's it. Ctrl Z and then type 0 for exact match. Now close the braces. Now we have two VLOOKUPs, one for roll number and other for ID, and then close it. This formula is ready for the execution. Now if error will make the selection on the basis of roll number or ID number. If one is wrong, it will select second one. If second is wrong, it will select first one, and so on. Now you can see we got age 26 and drag it down. So here it is. We got everything what we wanted. Now this was on the basis of roll number. Instead of this, if I could write its ID number, that is R102. 102. You can see the same information, no error. So now let us type again anything else, R110. So you got the information of R110, which is here in this 13th row. Okay. Now, and if you type its roll number, that is 1020, you get the same answer. So this is how the VLOOKUP is executed two times differently with the help of IFFERROR. If you want to check again, you can press F2. You can see. So this was the concept of double VLOOKUP. I hope you liked the concept. If you liked it, then do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.